Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the Lenovo IdeaPad 320 motherboard. Let's get started with the necessary tools you will need for this repair. 1. Tools *. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. 2. Disassembly *. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws organized to avoid confusion later on. 3. Internal cleaning *. Once the cover is off, it's crucial to clean the internal components gently. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and motherboard. This will enhance airflow and prevent overheating after the repair. For identifying the issue *. Examine the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components, swollen capacitors, or broken traces. If you're uncertain about the problem, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 5. Replacing components *. If you find any damaged components, such as a faulty capacitor, use your soldering iron to carefully desolder it from the motherboard. Replace it with a new component and solder it in place, ensuring a solid connection. 6. Reassembly *. After replacing the necessary components, carefully reassemble your laptop. Start by replacing the back cover and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything fits snugly. 7. Testing *. Before closing everything up completely, it's essential to test your laptop. Connect the power and check if it boots up correctly. If it doesn't, double-check your connections and components. If you're not comfortable with this process or lack the necessary tools, keep in mind we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel is needed, making it convenient for you. 8. Final touches *. Once you have confirmed that the laptop is functioning properly, give the exterior a good wipe with a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints and dust. 9. Quote before repair *. Before any repair work, we provide a quote so you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. This transparency helps you make informed decisions without any surprises. Following these steps will help you successfully repair your Lenovo IdeaPad 320 motherboard. Remember, if you encounter any complications during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.